When we talk about sports science is this catch-all phrase that a lot of time brings to mind somebody wearing a white coat while someone's on a treadmill with a mask on. To me, sports science is simply using fundamental scientific methodologies to provide some objective evidence to help draw a better conclusion. We have a variety of different ways to capture information from players, and a lot of these things are commercial pieces of hardware that many teams use.
We do as many as 3 times a week in season of the force plates, and then we also do hamstring testing on the NORD board. We'll do some force frame for adductors and abductors in the legs, and we take all of that data and I get the tests with the girls, and then I'll go with John DeWitt and process through it. He'll make the graphs.
One of the pieces of hardware we use are GPS accelerometer sensors. There's a vest that they're being worn, and the players tuck it into the back along their spine.
And Weisha, one of John's interns, actually has been working with him building a dashboard of all of the GPS data that we have.
When athletes wear the Catapult GPS sensors, they collect all this data right from the GPS, and that data goes into the Catapult cloud, and then Dr. DeWitt will pull that data from the Catapult cloud into the Rice cloud, and then I'll write the code and build a dashboard and then have all that data presented.
We can then measure how much distance the player is covering, how fast they are running, how often they are running at different speeds, how many times they jump, how many times they change direction. By using all this information, we're able to quantify our practices to help A, better understand what the player experienced, but then B, plan for tomorrow.
Coaches make their decisions, and we're not here to replace coaches' decisions, but sort of give them more like an evidence backing that their decisions are right or wrong.
We're seeing injuries decrease, we're seeing wins increase, we're seeing player performances increase.